I can't. Hey guys, this is what's my name? I will always go first, okay? So in case I fall, I have someone on my back. We can just go there by cable car. Think about that.
In 10 minutes it will be over.
Hey guys, this is Min. So ngayong araw nga ay napili tayong umakyat ng Mount Takao. Yung pinakamalapit na station ay Takao-san Guchi ng Keio Line. Dito nga sa labas ay may mapa na sila ng trail map. So sa paligid ng Takao-san Guchi ay meron silang mga restaurants and cafes at souvenir shops. Guys, nakakita kami dito ng mga kids na feeling namin ay mag-mountain climb din. Hiking pala, sorry! Ang cute ng aso. Hello! Bye-bye! What's that? What's that? So guys, para naman sa nakakaalam, ano tong mga statue na to na dinadamitan nila ng pula? Salamat sa sasagot! Number 6, right?
Yeah.
The violet one doing it.
Ooh, finally.
Oh my god.
This is Walmart.
At dahil puro na lang tayo city vlog, for today's video, maiba naman. Hey guys, this is what's my name? Look at that. Are you sure of what we are
This is the path. It's called hiking, babe. You go into nature.
I think the soil is, you know,
At least
kind of
there's
wet.
roads.
No, I think this one is kind of wet, so it's dangerous. Actually guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-aakyat ng bundok. Kasi konting lakad nga lang sa elevated surface, kinatatamaran ko na eh. Ang kaso lang, ito namang isang to, nagdrama nung nakaraan. Iti wala, napao tayo. It's because there is a ladder anywhere.
To nature again, I like it.
Ooh. Oh my god. Loves, look at that.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Don't worry. Just you'll manage.
I will always go first, okay? So in case I fall, I have someone on my back. Parang medyo selfish tayo dun, Tia. Where's the waterfall? It's just a small waterfall. You can drink water over there?
I know we can pour water.
No.
Oh, you still have a full.
Is that even full? Look,
Yeah,
look.
Oh shit.
I'm not prepared for that. At meron nga kaming nakitang lalaki na nagre-refill ng tumbler niya. So if ever nga naakyat kayo ng Mount Takao guys, tapos Trail 6 yung susundan nyo, make sure na hindi basain yung sapatos na gagamitin nyo. At may tumama pang ang halaman sa mukha ko. Yung ibang dinaanan namin medyo makitid na, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, lagi naming pinapauna yung iba. Huh?
Lots of traffic.
It's because there are lots of people who wants to see Mount Takao. So dati kapag nakakita ko ng nagpo-post ng umaakyat ng bundok, sobrang inggit ko talaga. Nakakapagod pala. I'm really tired.
Already? We're not even halfway.
Yeah. It's not my thing, you know. Which one? Here? Can you check the map? So yun na nga guys, base daw sa mapa, dito daw kami sa taas dadaan. Grabe si mother, maakyat pa. Actually, there's another way going up through cable car. Eh? Wow! Ah, there!
Well, we can go over there and then back up again here, okay?
Okay. So, nagkamali kami ng daan, guys. Papunta pala dun sa waterfalls sa baba. Hindi ka pala dapat aakyat dito muna. Hirap bumaba. Okay. So, papunta dun sa Biwataki Falls. Dito muna pala dapat sa baba bago ka umakyat dun sa taas. So, konting lakad nga lang guys, magmula dun sa bungad, mararating nyo kaagad ang Biwataki Falls. Actually guys, hindi siya ganun kalaki at hindi kayo makakalapit dun sa loob. It's very hard.
okay, I can fall. I'll catch you. Just don't fall too
How?
hard.
How can you catch me if I fall over there?
I'll try.
What the?
There will be an attempt. It's called an adventure, babe.
Ay, grabe. Guys. We can just go there by cable car. Think about that.
Yeah, in 10 minutes it will be over.
Why do
There's a
they
bench over here.
Why do they greet everyone konnichiwa whenever they see one another?
It's polite.
Huh?
It's polite.
Just going up? Can we just sit for a minute?
You can sit for a second.
A minute, not a second.
Oof.
Water, please.
Yeah.
Ah, sarap. You say sarap.
Zarap.
Sarap. That means delicious. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys ha, magpapahinga muna kami. By the way, wala pa kami sa tuktok ha. Medyo napagod lang ang lola nyo at kailangan magpahinga ng konti. Yan lang, bye bye!